Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irdanendra Pratidya and I'm from class 7.3 and attendance list 15. Honorable teacher and dear my friends, first of all, let us give our gratitude to Allah for His mercy and blessing, so we are able to gather here in good health. Today, I would like to deliver a speech about Isra Mi'raj, one of the most important and meaningful events in Islamic history. Isra Mi'raj is a miraculous journey experienced by Prophet Muhammad SAW in a single night, by the will of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The journey consists of two parts. The first is Isra, when Prophet Muhammad traveled from Masjidil Haram in Mecca to Masjidil Aqsa in Jerusalem. The second part is Mi'raj, when the Prophet Muhammad ascended from Masjidil Aqsa to the heavens, meeting several prophets and finally receiving commands directly from Allah. One of the greatest lessons from Isra Mi'raj is the obligation of 5 daily prayer. Prayer is the only act of worship that was commanded directly by Allah without any intermediary. This shows us how important prayer is in our daily life. Prayer is not just a routine, but a way to communicate with Allah, to ask for guidance, forgiveness, and strength. Isra Mi'raj also teaches us about faith and trust in Allah. At that time, many people found it difficult to believe the journey because it was beyond human logic. However, Prophet Muhammad SAW and true believers remain firm in their faith. From this, we learn that as Muslims, we should believe in Allah's power even when something seems impossible. Another lesson we can take is patience and perseverance. Isra Mi'raj happened during a very difficult period in the Prophet's life. After he lost his beloved wife with Khadijah and his uncle Abu Talib, this reminds us that after hardship, Allah will always provide guidance and relief. As young Muslims, we should apply the value of Isra Mi'raj in our daily life by improving our prayer, strengthening our faith, and showing good character to others. In conclusion, Isra Mi'raj is not only a historical event, but also a reminder for us to stay close to Allah and live our life with faith and responsibility. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.